In this video we will show you how to install the classroom management software Net Control Classroom on macOS. More detailed information you can find in the installation guides, available on our website. Now we will download the installation package. The link to the user account from where you can download the software is in the text of your license. The download page provides access to packages for different platforms. We are downloading packages for the macOS platform. To install the teacher module, double-click the netctldmg package. In the appeared window, drag and drop the Net Control Teacher icon to the Applications folder. macOS blocks by default all applications downloaded from outside of App Store. This means that you need to explicitly allow running the program module in the system. Prior macOS 15, you just need to click the icon in Finder with press the Control key, and use the Open command. In macOS 15, Sequoia, you need to try to open the package first, and when the system denies to open it, authorize the opening in the system settings. Open the Privacy and Security section of the settings, scroll down to the end of the list and authorize the blocked application. Once authorized, the application can be opened without additional prompts. At first start, you need to activate the teacher module with your registration key. The key you can find in the text of your license. Now you can choose whether the software will be used only on macOS machines or alongside machines of other platforms. Now we will determine the network computer name of the teacher computer. We will need it to set up the student computers. On the About tab, please click the IP-DNS name button. Please write down the specified DNS name. The student module installation package you can download from the customer portal on our website, using the link provided in your license. Double-click the package in Finder to open it. Due to the package was downloaded from outside of App Store, the system will deny to open it. You need to explicitly allow launching the package. In macOS 14, to open the package, just click it with the pressed Control key and then click the Open menu command. In macOS 15, try to open the package, after the system displayed the warning message, Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then scroll to the bottom of the list and allow execution. Such authorization should be provided only once after you downloaded the package. After the software is installed, the student module prompts for an IP address or DNS name of the teacher computer. This name we obtained in the teacher module, on the About tab, as was described before. In macOS 15, Sequoia, you need to specify the name in the FQDN format. Usually this means that you need to add the suffix .local. The settings you can change at any moment clicking the Configure button. If done correctly, students should appear in the teacher console in 10 to 15 seconds. Modern versions of macOS operating system control many aspects of how applications work, what resources they access and what actions are performed. This particularly means that the user need to explicitly approve or deny when an application accesses folders like downloads or pictures, takes screenshots or simulates mouse movements during remote control. Fortunately, most of such authorizations only need to be granted once per application. When the user denies a permission request, the respective features cannot be performed by the application. Therefore, we recommend setting up the authorizations after installing the student module. On each student computer, in the Student Console, click the About button, and on the Appeared page, click the Call Authorization Requests button. Then the system will prompt to grant different permissions, which should be approved. Once the authorizations are given, you should be able to work with student computers from your teacher computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not hesitate to contact our support team if you need further help with installation and configuration of NetControl classroom management software.